This is CH Ramakodeshwara working as assistant professor in GNIT. It's my pleasure to greet you all, respected HOD, respected chief guest, faculty, and my dear students. A very good evening to one and all. As we all know, we are having a webinar on my story and motivation session by startup founder. I feel it is my privilege to introduce today's resource person, Mrs. Lakshmi Harita Bhavani. Started her career as a assistant professor, and then she worked as a CRM manager and consultant for solar company for over 6 years of period. And later on, she was inspired by her mother's dedication towards organic farming and healthy food consumption, determined to implement the ideas of her mother and to ensure the reach of healthy and chemical-free food products to all sections of the people. So, she co-founded the brand called Ancient Foods along with her mother. So, Madam started her startup company. Name is Ancient Foods of India, located in Hyderabad. So now I would like to request Madam to address the gathering. Please, Madam.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, madam.
Thank you from my for giving the introduction. I think it's getting resounded, no? Let me close this one. Yeah. Yeah. Now, hope I am clear. Hello.
Clear.
Yeah.
Go ahead. Madam.
Yeah. So I just stick to one device. Let me go with only one device. Actually, I thought of giving a good presentation, but unfortunately, my device is not supporting. And sorry for the inconvenience. And thank you for the introduction given from your side. So most of you were waiting for the session, and let me start that. As the sir told, yes, inspired by my mother for giving from her experience to give a good food to the next generations. So this is our basic and actual motto behind the brand. The person behind our brand is my mother. Idea is my mother, and the person behind the brand is me and my kids, to be frank. The reason is we never had any habit of eating food outside. Even let me tell you, she's a retired agriculture officer, and her 30 years of government service was included complete journey with the farmers, where she used to train them how they can yield high with less investment. That's nothing but with less fertilizers and good quality of the yield products. So throughout her service, she was trying to motivate the farmers, and hardly 50% of them could get motivated and turn towards the organic farming, and bringing the production without or less fertilizers. Apart from that, why we started this brand? Why? What's the reason? To speak about myself, as sir told, I'm a postgraduate in MTech, and I worked as an assistant professor, and also I turned my career into industry and worked for a solar company for 2.5 years as a CRM manager in a solar company. And then I had my kids, actually first kid, and then the second kid, where during my second kid delivery, I faced a severe hemorrhage. The hemorrhage was in such a situation that where doctors has told me that you me a 50-50 chances for me to survive. So that was a statement given by the doctors actually after seeing my condition. But fortunately, when that statement was given, because the same condition for the other patient 5 years back, they couldn't save the patient. They lost the patient. That was a painful thing. And since the same condition was faced by me, they have given out the statement initially that there are 50-50 chances. And once they started giving a treatment for me, then they realized that my body is supporting the treatment. The reason they lost the patient previously was the body did not support. And in my case, the body supported. Why? The reason is the past food of 20 years of food which I have taken made my body to sustain or react to that medicines which are given for that particular problem at that particular time, and which is important nowadays, because everybody starting from the infants 0 months to let it be 20 years, 30 years, 40 years, everybody are facing with some or other lifestyle problem, isn't it? Yes, I hope everybody understand this point. Lifestyle diseases. That means let it be a bone related issues, let it be a blood related issues, let it be a muscle related issues, let it be a heart related issues, let it be a glucose related issues generated in your body. Let it be anything, but some or other problem. Let it be a headache, a small nervous. So, headache is a very small problem, but the reason behind that is nothing but the nerve, the strength of the nerves which are inside your body. So that is the one which is causing you the headache. So these small issues, everything accumulate, and then what happens is at the age of 20, 25, 30, they come out as a severe lifestyle disease. That is what I experienced. So since because they couldn't save the patient in the previous case, they concluded the same thing in my case, but fortunately that didn't happen, because the body or the food which I have taken helped me in coming out of that problem. And the food habits the body did not support, means that is the body is not properly grown up. If you see the same a similar referral example for your agriculture, if you are giving a proper seed in a proper mud, proper fertile soil, only then you can see a proper tree which is coming out and giving out healthy fruits or healthy flowers or healthy grains, whatever may be. The same way with the human being also. Unless and until you are feeding healthy your body, you can't expect yourself healthy, and you can't be yourself happy for a long time. So this is what the reason, or this is what the main motivation for us to start this brand. Because my mother used to give us a great feeding, even though she's an employee, even though she has to go around the clock from morning 6 o'clock till evening 6 o'clock. She never neglected the feeding which has to be given to us. And never we have gone out and picked up some junk and we have feeded ourselves. So that was never done. And now today's period, I mean in nowadays, most of them, we know the well-known quotation. What is that? Food is medicine. But do you think today's food is a medicine for us? Obviously no. Obviously a big no. Why? You can see a lot of artificial things which are added into your food today. Now just you go out after the session, you try having some snacks like chips, biscuits, chocolates, either pizza, samosa, whatever may be. Samosa is made up of maida. That's also it's not healthy. And pizza, when you are speaking about, the dough is a maida, and the sauce which you adding, that's also a completely artificial thing. Where you can see when you turn behind the products which you are picking up from the supermarket rack, you can just try looking at the ingredients behind the pack. You will be seeing so many ingredients which are which you can say big no for them. Why? In the name of acidity regulator, in the name of IE 207, IE 104, IE 110. There are so many numericals seen on the pack behind your packed foods which you find it in a supermarket. Even behind the sauce also. When you go through, and if anybody have that habit of looking back to the ingredients of a product which you are buying it by paying something, you will be knowing the difference. Like, is this a natural thing? Excuse me. Is this a natural thing? Is this the one which we can eat? Is this the one which helps us grow healthy? You have to question yourself. but most of us only only restrict to one point: is it tasty or not? Yes, if it is tasty, of course, yeah, it's a very good product. If it is not tasty, no, it's not a good product.